If I had to point at the one habit that quietly built my success, it wasn't a job, it was everything I did outside of one. And most people completely ignore this advantage. Those extra income streams gave me breathing room, letting me stack cash and invest earlier. But here's the problem. There are endless options, and choosing the right one feels overwhelming. So in this video, I'll walk you through side hustle ideas for every stage of life, plus income targets that actually make sense. Stick with me until the end, and you'll know exactly what to start and when to evolve it. Because what works at 15 could cost you money at 30. Think of this like leveling up in a game. You begin with basic tools, then upgrade your abilities over time. Level 1. This is around ages 13 to 16. My goal back then was earning roughly $50 to $150 monthly. At this stage, money is limited, but time isn't. That's your biggest advantage. So your focus should be experimenting and learning fast. Start with simple service-based work. When I was younger, I cleaned cars. Today, you could upgrade with equipment that pays for itself. Another opportunity? Selling something people already want. In school environments, there's always demand for snacks or small items. Suddenly, you're not just earning, you're managing people, and that's a skill most adults don't even have. Level 2. Now you're between 16 and 18. Your target is around $250 to $400 per month. One of the easiest ways to earn is teaching something you know. You don't have to be academically brilliant. Ask yourself, what can I do that others struggle with? That's your opportunity. Now, if you're comfortable online, there's another route: digital businesses. Models like e-commerce or content creation are powerful training grounds. Level 3. Now we enter ages 18 to 29. Your target income rises to around $800 to $1,200 per month. But this is where most people make a critical mistake. They earn more and spend more. Instead, start investing. If you've learned online business skills, you can now offer them to real companies. Businesses are willing to pay well for results. Alternatively, you can transition into creative services like design, video production, or photography. These skills are always in demand. Another strategy is leveraging income into assets. Real estate strategies can reduce living costs while building long-term wealth. Level 4. 30 and beyond. Your focus shifts from active income to more passive streams. Your monthly goal might range from $1,500 to $3,000 or more from side income alone. You can teach, coach, or create systems that help many people at once instead of trading hours for money. By progressing through these stages, you build something powerful: assets that eventually outgrow your main job. You're no longer chasing income, it's coming to you. If you made it this far, hit like and support Winds of Thought. And remember, the best side hustle isn't the trendiest one, it's the one you actually start.